If Twitch is not working on Chrome, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get your streams loading again. Whether Twitch is stuck on a black screen, endlessly buffering, or not opening at all, these methods can help you pinpoint the issue and fix it quickly. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Let's get started. First, open an incognito window in Chrome by pressing Ctrl, Shift and N on Windows or Command, Shift and N on Mac. Then go to Twitch and try loading the site there. This is one of the quickest ways to test whether the problem is caused by a bad extension or a cached browser file. If Twitch works in incognito mode, that usually means something in your normal browser profile is interfering with playback. If Twitch still does not work, then the issue is more likely related to your browser settings or your network connection, so you can move on to the next steps. Now let's disable any ad blockers or privacy extensions. Twitch is known to block or break playback if it detects third-party scripts interfering with its code. In Chrome, click the puzzle piece icon in the top right corner, then choose Manage Extensions. Look through your installed extensions and temporarily turn off any ad blockers like uBlock Origin or AdBlock, as well as privacy tools or script blockers such as NoScript or similar add-ons. If you use a theme or display extension like Dark Reader, disable that too, just for testing. After that, reload Twitch and check whether the stream starts playing normally. If it works now, you found the cause. Next, if Twitch is still acting up, clear the Twitch-specific cookies and cache. Corrupted cheers dates can cause the endless loading circle, login problems, or media playback errors. To do this, open twitch.tv in a normal Chrome tab. Then click the site settings or tune icon near the left side of the address bar, close to the lock icon. From there, click Cookies and Site Data, and then choose Manage Cookies and Site Data. You should see Stored Data for Twitch. Click the trash can icons next to the listed entries to remove Twitch's local storage and cached site data. Once that is done, refresh the page by pressing F5, then sign back into your Twitch account and test the stream again. If the page loads but the video is black while audio still plays, the issue may be hardware acceleration. To check that, click the three vertical dots in Chrome, open Settings, and then select System from the left sidebar. Look for Use Graphics Acceleration when available, also known as hardware acceleration. If it is turned on, switch it off. If it is already off, try turning it on instead. Then click the relaunch button that appears so Chrome restarts with the new setting. After Chrome opens again, return to Twitch and test the video playback. This fix is especially helpful when the browser's video rendering layer gets stuck. If Twitch is not loading properly across multiple browsers, then the problem may be with your local network configuration. In that case, you can flush your DNS and reset your network connection. Open the Windows Start menu, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Once the terminal opens, type the following commands one at a time, pressing Enter after each one. First, type ipconfig/flushdns, then type netis winsock reset. After that, restart your computer completely and try Twitch again. This refreshes your network stack and clears out old DNS or socket issues that may be preventing Twitch from loading correctly. By now, one of these fixes should get Twitch working again in Chrome. The best approach is to start with incognito mode, then move through extensions, cookies, hardware acceleration, and network resets until you find the exact cause. If this video helped, please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more simple troubleshooting guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.